All right, so I guess in the input file we can like put gold as like the at symbol, and then we can have like a part where it says if it, the text gold, it can do like a counter.
Well, this is also looking for the exit, right? And
Yeah,
we don't need that.
I guess not. I'm pretty sure it's just to find the gold.
All right, maybe we don't want to use this then. We should just start our own. Also, this is whack.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Never mind. We're not gonna use this because I have no idea what's going on.
Give me a second. My dad's calling me. All right.
You already have don't you already have like the header file or whatever for the stuff we need?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Can I
Want to
email
send
that to
me?
you?
Or yeah, or you screen share. It doesn't matter. Either one's fine.
All right. I'll just email it to you guys in case you ever want it.
Yeah. All right, thanks.
I emailed it to you. Then I'll just share my screen since I already have it up. All right. You guys can see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just got it. So now we have to define what each of these does, right?
Yeah.
The only thing I was thinking is besides the stuff for the stack, we could put all of those into our actual program. Like I don't know what the difference between using it from a header is
I
versus having
think
it in your program.
I think he doesn't want like a lot of stuff in the main.
Yeah, but we can also have functions that exist outside of main.
That's what I mean.
You know.
Like all of these should technically be the functions that we're gonna use.
So
But
like
like
move, right?
yeah. So either these go in our main program, like file, like the .c, or we do something else with it. But I don't know what else you would do because like with the queue, it's not like you're calling. I don't know. I feel like it's different. I feel like we should put those in our actual function, and it'll be a lot easier to also program it because it's like directly
Yeah.
infected. If that makes sense.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we just move all of them.
Yeah.
You can just copy and paste all of them instead of.
Yeah, I'll just comment them for now.
Don't we have to copy and paste them
Yeah,
all? Do
before
you
you
want
do
to
that,
retype them?
Copy paste it.
Copy
Sure.
paste it first, and then you comment it
And then
out.
comment it out.
Yeah. All right, where do you want me to put it? In
The
main
project, like the top.
The actual file. Like this is the stack, but
Yeah. All right, let me open it then. Where is it? I'll create a new file then. All right, which ones?
like all of them besides the stack stuff.
All right. That includes backtrack, right?
Yeah.
All right. There. And I'll just
comment the rest out.
All right, and then I think that for the start, like just start it, we should just make a set maze so that
yeah,
we can
sure.
have something to work off of.
It's an input file, right, the maze?
Yeah, do you want me to send you the one that I made? Or
Yeah, sure. Are you emailing it?
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Are these videos going on YouTube too, or are they just going to the professor?
I don't know. Oh yeah, I finished all the redo submission stuff today, so we're good with that.
All right.
Didn't someone send in the 124 Discord something we could all like code on, like a link to something?
I don't know.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll just wait for the email.
I'll find it. I don't know where it is. I mean, they're pretty easy to make, so
Yeah.
I guess I'll keep looking for it. But
I mean, you could even just do it in your program if you want.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't take long.
yeah, that's
You just
that
tell me.
the one I had all like the things that we wrote under it.
It's called codeshare.io. The only thing is you can't run it, so somebody would have to just copy paste it in. But I mean, we can do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, that doesn't sound that bad.
I'm down if you want to do that.
Yeah. I guess I could compile it.
Yeah, exactly. Is it actually? Oh, it's just it. Yeah.
Look, I found it.
All right. Let me know when you send it.
All right, there you go. That took way too long.
Here's the code share link. Yeah, you guys are doing it. All right. All right, I got the maze.
You're not a screen sharing anymore, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Just give me a sec. All right. So, we're doing it. All right, I'll just show my screen. All right. So now we got the input file.
So that's the main for the movement, or it's just the main.
What's it called? This is just the main for the movement.
Okay.
So how do you guys want to start doing this?
Just the first thing you do is just take it in from in the main function.
What was that?
Take it, like input it, like actually input the maze.
All right.
We're probably gonna want to like, hey, go back to the text file real quick. We're probably gonna want to put it in like a 2D array. So like the top one would be 0, 0, and then 0, 1, and 0, 2, like that. So that
Yeah.
each spot has its own value.
Was it int array or like char array?
It would be character.
So and it's 8 by 8.
Yeah. And then if let me just pull up. I'm too lazy to what's it called? Write the entire thing down.
Too lazy to write out that.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. All right. It's exit 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then you have to do the scan, right?
I would do get C because you're just gonna do like one character at a time and just set it equal.
Do you want to do it in the code share thing? Like I'll just copy and paste all these into that.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
Do int I and j, yeah. Then never mind. It's just lagging. I think we want to do it like this. I think we want to have another for loop. And j equals 0.
Yeah. What's it called? The whole energy thing, right? That's pretty much just going to be like a counter or reverse.
And then I think every action we do, we're gonna have to like actually make a new function right now. Actually, I'll do it. And it's just gonna be probably, and then it's literally gonna be if energy equals 0, and then it's just gonna exit 1.
All right.
Yes. Dang. Hate this stupid energy.
That's it, right? And then,
Yeah.
so if you want to print it out.
All right. Let me just take all this.
Right, just get rid of that for now.
Yeah, I'll comment it. Oh, did it twice. And yeah, I say that's pretty close to what we have.
Okay, and then
Yeah, it's right.
the first thing we want to do is figure out where the ant actually is, probably.
Wait, we don't need this
Yeah.
twice.
Do you want to have it like in the lab where we just place the ants somewhere?
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, because they didn't say specifically how the ants gonna be in the maze.
Maybe we can do just like a simple scan of where he wants to start, like web station.
Yeah, sure.
They do that in or that maze program. They do that too, right? Because they ask for the starting position.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're talking about lab 10, right?
Yeah.
That maze? Yeah. And that one
So-
they asked you where to start.
So yeah, I think you should do find an X and Y.
Okay,
All right.
Who is it? Who is this highlighted?
that's
Or is it
Nehal.
just all purple?
Nah, it's Nehal.
Okay.
Click.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
I didn't realize. My bad.
No worries. All right. So it should it be before the for loop?
Yeah, I guess so. Because you gotta ask.
All right.
what you
So
print it.
uh,
It's still purple for me, but whatever.
oh no.
I'm not even highlighting anything. All right.
Can't believe his name is Michael.
You got something wrong with Michael?
Never said that. Okay. So we have to find X and Y. Oh, you're doing that. Okay.
Yeah, just scan X %D, then X.
E, comma percent
Yeah.
X comma Y. Oh, I forgot to do and.
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, so that's pretty simple.
Now we have to actually put Michael in the maze with the scanf.
So
Do you want to change the input file quick and get rid of him?
Well, what do you mean?
Get rid of the M.
Oh,
'Cause
sure.
we're gonna actually be putting something there.
oh yeah, okay.
All right. Just get rid of the M, right?
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Oh, let's do space.
So
All right. So
how do we do it? So like
I'm typing stuff and it's not coming up on your screen. Just kind of.
maybe just restart yours, I guess.
Refresh. Yeah, I can see it now.
All
So
right.
should we do like if the array of X and Y is a star, then like
Actually do a while, I think, because you have to start on the outside, right?
Yeah.
So you say while x does not equal, or x
Does
can
not-
be anything, but while y
While it's
doesn't
not-
equal,
star or the whatever the money sign is.
I think money is gold. Like,
Well, yeah, but like that just means wherever.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If you can't start there, I'm assuming.
Yeah, I guess so.
do you want to be like if they put a wrong input, we just set a default one or no? Otherwise, it's gonna be a little like longer. Does it have to be like while?
Yeah, if you want
Can you pull
to,
up the
you
maze
could.
quick? Can you pull up the
Yeah,
maze?
sure.
So while x what doesn't equal. Right, because you have to say this. Because if x is in between 1 or 8, then it
Yeah.
has, or 1 or 7, then y has to be 0 or 7, and then you have to do it again for the other one.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think, maybe.
Do you want me to copy it and see if it works?
Actually, let's do this. All right, do it now.
All right. From the do, right?
Yeah.
All right.
It's probably going to be like parenthesis errors, so I might think it's that, but.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
All right. Compile.
You gotta do index. Yeah. Well.
Yeah. Do expect line 61 and 71.
You need one more parenthesis on the end.
Where?
At the end of the while.
Yeah, like before the
Right
semicolon.
before the semicolon, yeah.
All right. Here. Wait.
No. On
like
the line that
61.
says while, all the way on the
Here.
right, all the way
Yeah.
on the right, before the semicolon. Yeah.
And then
So
All right. Give me a point.
just put in one that works. So let's try 0, 1, I guess. Or 1, 0.
Makes it a little better.
Wait.
Wait,
0.
let me change where Michael starts.
1. I think we have to modify it.
Yeah.
So probably like take scan F1 at a time.
For X and Y, that's fine.
Yeah.
You have to put like get car after whatever. So
Where does get car go?
right after
Like-
scan F.
Alright.
And then put another one after for the Y.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Okay, 0, 1's not gonna work. So you have to do 1,
1
0.
1.
Or
Wait,
1. It has to be
1.
1, 0.
1 0.
Wait, 1 0 shouldn't work. 1 1.
Well, are we going from 0 to 7 or 1 to 8? Because I think it's 0 to 7 is why. So like if you
Yeah,
go
you can't start at 0 because 0 is a wall.
All right.
Well, no, you can start at 0, but then it has to be 1
Zero's
after it.
a
Yeah, but you can
wall.
go down. Yeah, but you have to start on the wall, no? Doesn't he
No, I
start
think it's
on
you
the
start
wall?
like you start
2
indented in
5
the wall.
works.
Oh, you start inside? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I didn't think you could start. I
I
don't know.
thought you had to pick up a spot on the wall. I'm probably wrong. I don't know anything about this
Wait,
project.
so where's Michael?
I chose 2 5 as randomly.
Uh,
We didn't put a marker where he was when it starts. We just,
Oh, okay.
It just made sure that he's in the maze at a free spot.
Okay.
wait, I should
Yeah.
have a marker though, because it says array X, Y, M.
X, Y, M. I don't see any M. Probably, maybe you have to print it. Let's see.
Right after that, do a printf of x and y, and just make sure that they're like actually what you put in.
Here.
Yeah.
Shoot. Right, and yeah,
Okay.
it's make
So just do
getting
percent,
it.
just do percent and after, or backslash n. Okay, that works.
Wait, just 1 sec. All right, no, it's fine. Vessel's not showing the M.
Yeah, but we haven't done that.
Yeah, all right, my bad.
So we have to do, I'll write it in the code. Yeah, we'll do we gotta open an output file that prints the maze with Michael. Just so we can see it, maybe.
Yeah,
Do you
I
want
guess.
to make it so that after every move you make, or you don't input anything, right? It just does it on its own.
Yeah.
All right, never mind. I would say after a move he makes, you reprint the maze with where he moves, but if it does it on its own, then it's just gonna like completely fill the command file or print out, whatever.
Yeah, I think in that regard it's similar to lap 10, where it would move on its own until it found whatever it wanted.
Yeah. Oh, where it says array XY, I think it's because it's in quotes. It should be in character string, or apostrophes, DM.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah, try it now.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, there we go. Is that 2.5 though?
Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wasn't our X2?
I think we have to swap our X and Y.
Yeah.
I wasn't looking. How'd you guys print that out?
We
you
just
mean
set
the M
the
right
array
here.
value
And this.
at XY to M,
Okay.
but it's
Alright.
backwards for some reason.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be. Which is weird.
Alright, let me try it now.
Oh no, where it says printf in the for loop, I think is it
This
supposed
one?
to be JI? Right, because I is your Y and J is your X.
Let's try that. 2, 5. Yeah, I think it works now. Yeah, he's over here.
Yeah.
Is that 5 down? That
That's
shouldn't-
Yeah, it's 5
That was
down.
like 7 down.
That- yeah, that's
3,
7
4,
down.
5.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is our
Yes.
array one short?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It is one short.
Yeah.
Okay.
That might just be, is your input file one short then?
Yeah, probably.
That was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 0, 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
that's
4,
gonna be
5,
8.
6, 7. All right. What's it called? How much was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Just that little extra wall.
Well, that means that it's still printing in reverse. Because the Y was short before, and then in our program, or in this, the X was short.
Yeah.
No, you don't need that. You don't need that. You're good. About
For
that.
sure.
Yeah.
All right. Let's recompile this then.
that mess up so much.
Is it JI or IJ?
IJ.
It should be IJ, yeah.
All right, maybe.
Hmm. Wait, go back to the file.
Can you run it? Can you run
Get
it?
rid of
Victor?
get rid of the \n.
Where?
In the
Line. Yeah, that one. Just comment that out. See if that does anything.
It's just gonna print on a line.
Yeah.
But like,
Oh,
Is it taking the next line as an input? I know it did that. All right, whatever. You take those. Although it's still not. Wait, still not right though.
yeah.
It's
It's
It
just
is.
the bottom
saying.
line.
Yeah.
oh God damn it. It's closer at least.
Yeah. Wait, look, you see where Michael is here, right? So it's like,
Yeah.
what is it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well,
Over
I'm
here,
assuming
there's
it's
a
going from the
wall.
bottom.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
over here, all right. Either way, just like one little part of the wall's missing, and they replace it with Michael.
So yeah, I think we have to write that it can't start. Like we have to do an or. It's a or an and,
Yeah.
saying it can't start on a star.
All right, let me just change the maze back to what it was before.
This maze is right though, I think.
Yeah, I think
I'm
this
just
maze is right.
seeing this one,
Pretty sure.
or
I think that's only
Oh,
7.
Yeah,
I
not
think,
the old
I think I
one.
just counted wrong.
yeah, I know. I'm just checking something real quick.
To see if it works.
Yeah, like where exactly? I didn't.
No,
Scott.
you don't need the print M. I think that or hold up, actually. Give me 1 second. Can you go back to it and run it and get rid of the print M? No, leave
Yeah.
it how it is.
All right,
Go
let
to
me
the
save it.
main program.
All right, comment it.
Yeah. And then run it. And then just like put it to the right so I can see both.
With the input. It almost works. It just doesn't get the entire last line.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Try J is less than 9 and see what happens.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Although I don't think that's gonna work either.
No, I think it messed up even more because it's
Yeah.
missing the corner. Right.
Well,
Try.
worst case, you could manually put it in. Actually, no. After that, do another for loop that prints out just the last line.
Yeah.
But the problem is
okay.
there's one character in the last line.
Yeah.
Like,
So it's
there's
probably not scanning something correctly.
maybe get it, like get car. Honestly, what if it's the printing the before it? You know how we print the %d, %d, which are the x and y.
Mhm.
Maybe we do that after the while loop, or after the for loop. I mean, because it'll print the maze, and then it'll print where Michael is.
Oh, we don't need the XY at the print anymore. You can just get rid of it. The printf, you can just get rid of that.
Okay.
Just try doing another for loop that prints out just the last line.
All right. How do you want to do it then?
I don't think you need a for loop, do you?
I mean,
I feel like we shouldn't.
unless you want to print all 8 by hand. Just
What's
yeah,
the
just do one
cost?
for loop from 0 to 8, and then you print out x of array of I, and then the j is just 8 or 7.
What's I less than 8?
Yeah.
We got a little bit of back.
You don't need another for loop. You just need one.
Alright. And what do you want me to put in?
Just print f, and then %c, and then array of I, and then the j is just 8, or the j is just 7.
Alright.
And put like 3, like after you the first for loop goes through, put like 3 print slash stems or whatever. So there's just a lot of space. No, like after you, the first time you like go up a line, and then up one more, and then press enter, and then put like 3 right there, just so that there's space in between you.
We got.
No, like print slash backslash n.
Oh.
Just do like backslash n, backslash n, backslash n.
For each line?
Yeah, like you could just put another one in there, and the same thing. Or you could do that first too. Actually, we have
Right.
not print it. See what happens. Okay, put 8 for the 7. That's whack. So it's getting the 5th asterisk, and it's not even printing down either.
I feel like it's something with our original thing, because it works with the other maze, the smaller one.
You scroll up quick.
Do you want me to go higher or just fine?
No, that's fine. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, because it worked with the smaller maze, so I feel like maybe it's a bit too small for this while.
Wait, sorry, what's wrong with it?
I don't know exactly, but I think it's probably either the for loop or the while. Because with the smaller maze, it works just fine. But when we made it bigger, that's
Then
when it
just-
started to break.
Comment tag out the do and the while part, and just put the yeah, but leave the actual stuff in the middle.
Yeah, alright.
You gotta get everyone that one bracket too.
Oh yeah.
All right, now do it then. Oh, you gotta put numbers in.
I did.
Wait, so then
So-
it's not printing?
Yeah, it's not printing. Yeah, because right now I just entered 2 and enter, and it's not showing anything. And I just did 5.
Oh,
Yeah, it's just taking numbers but not showing. And I'm just pressing enter at this point.
All right, so that didn't work.
Scroll up again.
Do you want to revert back to the one that worked, and then we'll see how it worked?
Sure.
All right. Forgot.
Wait, what?
Just get rid of the whole bottom thing. Just get rid of the whole bottom.
Yeah. And
You need another bracket.
yeah.
Oh no, our code is broken.
Yeah, now it doesn't. Or I'll just steal what we had in the code share thing. Yeah, I'll just steal this.
Wait, okay. I tried. I added an output file, so
You didn't paste it.
Oh, my numlock was off.
You're trolling. You're trolling so hard.
oh.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, that's the old one. So
Yeah. So we know it's working for the old one. So why isn't it working for the new one?
put it back to the new one.
Wait, I have to change everything again.
I think that's one too long.
Yeah. Oh, what did you say was too long?
I think it's 9 long. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, get rid of the bottom line.
Save.
Get rid of the printf. The enter.
Alright, you said let me get rid of printf first.
Down, 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 down. Yeah, that one. Actually, leave it for a second. Leave it for a second. Leave it for a second. Can you run it
Yeah.
and then put it to the side?
With the input.
Nah, that's fine. That's fine. Leave it.
Alright.
It's kind of whack that it's like entering before J is 8. Unless our input file, unless the C that it's taking in is like just spaces and it's not putting in the right numbers.
I don't know. Let me like increase like everything by 1 here and see if that helps.
You should leave that at 8. You can leave that at 8. Alright, just get rid of the enter then.
Oh, let me just get rid of which one?
The backslash add.
Because we are taking it individually. Remember, like it's not. We're not like scanning whole line at a time. We're scanning it as one character at a time.
Yeah, but now it's doing the same thing. Where it's like it gets that one part, and then it's like these are missing.
I don't know if it's like a good way of doing it, but can you use get car and then you print out a whole line of it after?
Yeah,
you could actually, you totally could do that, and you could say, you could do a while or something and say while scanf does not equal end of file, and then you do like your scanf is from the start to the end of line. But that would actually, I think that would work fine. But is end of line spaces or the full end of line? Like go back to the input file. Because if it's spaces, then like as soon as you go to the second line, it's going to stop after that asterisk. But if it's end of line, then it's going to go to the end. Like I don't know what the difference is.
Yep.
Is it
Do,
C equals get C or is it F get C?
I probably try F get C. It might be that.
I don't remember that. We're learning about F get C with
There's
files.
also F gets, but I don't know what the difference is.
That gets a string, I think.
I think it's gonna make a difference. Yeah.
Okay, I know.
If we want to try with scanf, we can. And then if you use this, this ignores spaces all the way at the bottom. I think that ignores spaces and goes to the end of the line.
Just the bottom part.
No, actually, I lied. There's no way you can use scanf because then you can't put in the values of the array because it's going to take the whole line. Unless you do another for loop that says 0 to 8 and then, or 0 to the length of the string, and then you input it letter by letter. But that's like a bitch, and there's no reason that you can't do it like with getC. So now, go back to the code. Can you like zoom out so we can see the whole thing?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, like that.
All right. Let me just increase the array by say like 9 by 9 and just see something like, shoot. Oh, hey.
Hey, it works.
Wait,
Anyway, now try putting a number
Wait.
where he's on a wall.
no, it's printing out correctly, but that is not 2, 5.
It's 2, 5, where 2 is the y and x is the 5 is the x. It's backwards. So.
All right.
Why is it doing that?
You probably just have to switch to X and Y then for the scan.
I mean, just do array. Just change it in array. So
Oh
it's
yeah,
y.
yeah, you're right.
I don't know why it's like that, but
Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, now it's working.
Okay.
well, now, yeah, okay.
Well, it's working from the top,
Yeah.
but is it? Yeah, I guess it's supposed to be. All right.
Try putting it on the wall though. So do like 0, 0 and see what happens.
Yeah, it doesn't work then.
All right, you should put a print statement after.
Wait.
Yeah, instead of just repeating a bunch, it says.
It should
Oh,
be
no.
like,
But the thing is, if we do 0, 0 and then do 2, 5, it's gonna do 2, 5, but also at 0, 0, it's gonna replace the
that's
wall.
fine. Just make it a while and not a do while.
All right.
Put it back, yeah, and then it'll be fine. Well, you could leave that. Never mind. Just do whatever you want to do. It's how you do it.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right, then let's do 0, 0, 2, 5. No, it's the same thing. Or it does
Okay.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Then put a counter, like make an integer counter.
Sure.
And then inside of the while, hold on, let me think for a second. Okay, put if count equals 0,
Before everything or
Yeah,
after
before
everything?
everything. Before everything.
Alright. So if count equals 0.
Yeah. And then
Oh,
put
and
all
then
that.
do all that.
Put
Yeah, put all
put
that
all
stuff
that
inside.
inside.
Can you say it again?
Put all that inside.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's smart. That's smart thinking.
And then
Alright.
if
Wait.
It gets counter.
yeah, counter.
Oh yeah.
And then put an else.
Else.
And then do enter.
Just
And then do printf. Input was on a wall. Try another input or something. And then do array of yx equals asterisk.
Like that.
Yeah.
and then do counter plus plus.
Counter. Yeah. Counter plus plus.
Over
Or
here, right?
hold up. Let me think.
No, just outside of it. Right.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do counter plus plus outside of it, and then inside the else put counter equals 0.
You have to do
Or-
a counter. You do
Counter
after
plus
after
plus.
else.
Put counter plus plus in the first if.
Alright.
I think.
You
Like
gotta
that?
you gotta use
Yeah.
you gotta use a brace at after else, and then
Oh yeah, you're right.
And then in the else put counter equals 0. Yeah. Now try that.
So 0, 0, 2, 5. Yeah.
oh, look at that. Just do
Can you please put
backslash
colons?
ends.
Can you put colons though? Like it's actually gets me tight every time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
I did it on. I changed it on the code share thing. Wait, you gotta do a space though. Oh no.
Wait, where?
Put a
Yeah, it's just never mind. Just
yeah, there you go.
also do backslash n.
You gotta put backslash n after input was on the wall. Try again.
Like that. Oh wait.
No, another one.
Yeah.
Inside the quotes.
Yeah. All right, I gotta pee real quick, so I'll be right back.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Yeah, that should be good.
Alright, so I'll just remove this one.
Try the 0 again.
Yeah, it
Okay.
works.
All right, perfect.
Oh shoot, I should have stopped recording. We've
No,
been
it's
on
okay.
for
You can just edit it out. Like can you just like break them into segments?
Yeah, it's gonna be annoying, but sure.
I mean, yeah, that's true. It'll be worth it though, because we've been recording for like an hour. So could split that up into like 4 videos. I'm sorry, that's a lot of work.
It's alright. Here, I'm gonna put this all in that code share thing because I have to do something in like 5
Okay.
minutes. So then you can
Alright.
just share your screen. Alright, make sure it works for you right now before I go.
Okay. All right.
Alright, then I'll give you the maze as well. Alright, let me know if it works.
All right. That's good. I'm making it the project. So this is going in the main.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back.
I have to leave. I'm gonna leave for like 5 minutes. I sent Ethan the code so he can share stuff, share his screen.
Did you email me the input file?
Yeah, I made a separate input file. Or
Is it
I'll
in the
just
code
email
share?
it. Yeah, I sent it in the code share.
Oh yeah,
but
okay, I see it.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'll
you
just
don't-
email it then. It's probably gonna be easier that way.
What's the input file called?
I just called what's it called? Project input.txt.
All right, yeah, that works.
All right, then share your screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully it doesn't be terrible.
All right, just compile it and see if it works.
It's not letting me do anything.
Do you want me to do it since yours is like buggy?
I think
Yeah,
it's
you
working now.
should-
All right. 0, 0, 2, 5. Okay, that's right.
All right, I'm gonna come back in like 5-6 minutes. Have to do something.
All right. Okay, so this works.
Yeah.
What should we do now? Like, what's
I
the
think we should do the checks.
what?
Like check forward, check left, check right, check line.
Okay. So that's these.
Yeah.
Let's do it on here. Okay, so
Yeah. First thing though we should do is I think that this should be a global variable, so that
yeah,
we
okay.
don't have to send it to all of these because that'd be annoying.
So are we gonna have to scan it in each one too? Or
And then this would be 0, 0 is the top left, right?
yeah.
Okay. Then
So yeah, left is yeah, that's right.
what do we how do we actually like when he checks forward?
So should we print
don't
like
say
maybe
anything. Keep forgetting that it's just automatic.
wanna like do we like print out like spaces open? Or
Yeah, but if the whole thing is like
oh, it's like already it's all preset, so it's like
yeah,
maybe
so
we
it
do.
would just
Maybe
be
we
like
only.
he can't move.
I feel like maybe we like work that into the move functions. So it's like if I mean we just said like if this is true, then whatever equals 1. Then in the move file, if CWL is 1,
Yeah.
if it is
I got it, I
CWL
got it.
returns 1, then but the thing is, if we have like this, if we have the wall or the gold, it's like different.
Yeah. No, it's fine. You're right.
Okay. So I think maybe we can have 2 statements.
Actually, we're gonna have to. Oh, fuck.
Can we return like 2? Is that a thing?
What?
Can we return like 2 or no?
Yeah, if it's an int, you can return any
Okay.
number you want.
So then,
If you do 0, 1, it's basically just a boolean. But C doesn't have booleans unless you import them, which is stupid.
all right. Oh, I don't need an else. Else, and return 3.
Are we marking every? We're marking every spot we go to, right?
I'm not sure.
Because
Oh.
if we are, then after, if you check, so like in move, if the forward is like clear, then you're gonna have to call mark before you move. So you'd be mark, and then inside mark it'd be like array of x, y equals.
The wall.
What are we saying? I don't think we should set it to the wall though, because then if we want to use backtrack, then it's gonna be like
Ooh,
if you
okay.
go to any wall. So
All right. So then let's have another one. Let's what do you want to put it to? Because we just pick now and it'll be constant. What about like
do
a
you want to just do P or pheromones, whatever?
sure. So
right,
then
I'm
we
back.
set another else if so array of x minus 1. So how we're doing it, we're like we're cutting like the checks and stuff.
All right.
So if it's that, then it returns 3. Okay, there you go. I think the check left is done. Hopefully. So then this will be pretty easy.
The only thing though is when we're checking. Oh no, never mind. You're telling. I'm wrong. You're right.
I'm not sure this will entirely work, but it's only worth a try.
Nah, it'll work because like the only thing I didn't know was for the pheromones, or whatever. But you're gonna have to call these from backtrack anyways, depending on which way you want to go. So it doesn't really matter.
Okay. So then let's put this one here. So this would be x plus 1 or y plus 1 for going down.
Shouldn't it be y minus 1 if it's going down? Oh, wait, no, it is y plus 1. It is y plus 1.
Yeah, okay.
Then if it was going up, it's y minus 1, I think.
Yeah. All right. So that should be so when how we're setting instead of so when it places pheromone, we're not going to have it this be the same as the wall because so when we backtrack, it won't get like lost. We'll just have it say that like it should if it's just moving forward, it won't go through the pheromone or the wall.
All right. What's int gold for?
If every time you check or every time you move, you're gonna have to call this, and then if you check the spot in front of you and it's equal to 2, that means that you found the gold, so you have to increment gold.
All right.
I don't know if it's 3. Oh, we did this different.
Okay, so for the move, should it be the same thing for 1 and 3 for just the move? Like, can we have it so like if
it's a wall or a
FW equals 1 or 3, because they essentially do this, they do the same thing, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Okay, yeah, do this up here as integer. All right.
Do you want to just do that for now? Just do 1 first and see what happens.
Yeah, let's test it out.
All right.
And then we could also print it after we do, like go through it.
Yeah, since you have the one that's like the project that's actually like working on, do you want to do it?
Oh, what was that?
Since you have like the one that's like having the working project for the code, do you want to share it?
Yeah, sure. Let me just get all the stuff
Yeah,
so you guys
get
can
it
see.
up. I'll keep it for now, and then just let me know when you can, and I'll stop sharing, and you can do it.
You only did the functions, right? Or
We did the keys.
You didn't do anything to int main, right?
No,
No, not yet.
we didn't touch main.
All right, I'll just copy everything else then.
I wonder if we'll have to put the CWs before the moves because those affect them.
We can try. We can see that later. All right, I'm going to share my screen.
Okay. Stop.
All right. Let me compile. Yeah, I think the CWs have to come before the move.
All right, that's fine. Just
Yeah.
Control S, Control V.
Yeah.
Also, you're gonna have to make all of the CWs into ints.
All right.
Put it above move F. Oh, at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that all of it? All right. You said to change them to ints, right?
Yeah.
And that one's already int. And aren't these missing brackets?
Yeah.
All right, I'll just add that. No, this. All right.
You got to get rid of semicolon too.
Get rid of semicolon, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and what's going on? Expected 39.
There's no close parenthesis on the LSF.
Okay. All right. Wait. 39 expected, semicolon before. All right. What's wrong with this?
You know? Oh, it's because the LSFs don't have spaces. That's my bad.
What do you mean? Oh,
But it's,
is it
yeah,
supposed to be
right
like,
Yeah. I think get rid of semicolons now.
all right. I have to do the thing here.
all the way at the bottom, right above int move d.
Wait,
Down,
here.
down, right there. Yeah.
All right.
Same thing with the else if. Yeah.
Got it. What's wrong here? Conflicting types for mark. Do we use? Oh.
Just make that a void, I think. That's why.
All right. So void mark.
Yeah.
Conflicting types for mark. Use mark here.
Yeah. So you got to put mark above that. That's probably what it is.
Yeah. I'll just put it at the top of everything. I'm just gonna add spaces to these to separate them. All right. Okay.
All right. Now go into main, and then at yeah, right there, just do move underscore f. Just call that
Like,
parentheses.
But you need to do
semicolon at
the other thing first.
which
No,
one?
because we do that in move f.
So like that.
Yeah. Okay. Now add a print f, and then like in the enter, like print and enter.
What do you want me to print?
It's a backslash n. I'm gonna do one. Just do one more, I guess. Just this morning. No. Like do another backslash n.
All right.
And then copy paste the for loop above it that prints out the array.
This one?
Yeah.
All right.
And then run it. Okay, so he should go up, and then he should put a P where that M was.
I don't think he moved it. It looks like he stayed at the same position.
Okay, go up to move F1. No, like the actual function.
Okay.
Okay, and can you go up a little bit more? Put that at the bottom.
Which one?
Like no, like scroll up so that move F, the function move
Okay.
F. Yeah, stop.
Should it be int move f?
No.
All right.
Can you go to the input file quick?
Yeah.
Okay, go back.
I think Zoom
Oh,
allows
scroll
you
down
to.
into main. Go back into main.
Which one? Main?
Yeah. Get rid of the int xy that we have.
For which line?
115. Get rid
115.
of xy, yeah. And then scroll all the way back to the top. Okay, yeah, run it now and see what happens.
2, 5.
Okay.
I don't think anything changed.
Yeah, no.
Pretty sure we have to do the first thing for it, right? I know.
Do the what thing?
The CWF.
No, we do though, because I go back into move quick. So inside move, you're calling CWF. So
Yeah, but it doesn't. But there's no value assigned to it, is there?
what do you mean?
Because CWF isn't 1, 3, 2.
Yeah, it is. Because we made it an integer function. So I scroll back up to CWF.
Yeah.
Right, because we're saying if the spot above it is a star, then it's 1. If it's gold, it's 2. If it's pheromone, it's 3. And if it's that would be else is a space, it's 4.
Oh.
So it should be 4.
It should be
Go back
4,
down.
yeah.
Just go back down. Okay, just comment tag out the whole thing. Besides, like from the if statement all the way to the second to last bracket,
Which line exactly here?
right there, until
To
all the way down until second to last bracket.
here?
Right there, yeah. And then enter. Well, don't run it yet, right?
Yeah, sorry.
And then like do array of x and then y minus 1
Y minus 1
equals and then m.
equals character M.
Yeah.
Do you want to name it something different so
No,
we
just leave
know?
it now.
Alright.
Because it'll just print both. You gotta put a semicolon.
I
You got it with the bracket, yeah.
yeah.
I know, right?
2, 5. No.
It's because we're brain dead. Instead of doing y minus 1, right above it, put y equals y minus 1.
Like that.
Yeah. You see what happens now. Get rid of the y minus 1 now in the array. Well, no, like you still need the y though.
All right. No.
Okay, you want to scroll down quick? Go down to where we printed again in the main. And just instead of underneath that for loop, the second time we print it, just print out array of x, y.
Which one?
Like just press enter.
Yeah.
And then print f, percent %c, and then array x, y. And then put a \n before that. Try yx. And then actually just go back up to the move when you're done with that. And yeah, make that yx.
YX.
And then scroll back up to the move and then change your x equals x minus 1 and then change that to y equals y and x.
Okay, say it again.
Make that x equals x minus 1.
All right.
And then change that to array of yx, yeah.
Isn't it supposed to, I don't know, are we supposed to use like a pointer here or something like that?
Yes, we are. I think we are, at least. I don't know. I feel like at least Nehal and I have class in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So you want to just send me this then?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Yeah. So like, I think we should